You're the writer. You're the actor. You don't like the way the scene is going, change it. This is how much power we have and we don't realize it. Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you work, you just can't seem to get ahead financially? Like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of struggle and lack? Well, what if I told you that the key to attracting wealth and abundance into your life isn't about working harder, but rather about aligning your energy with the free frequency of money? As Dolores Cannon once said, you can have anything you want. Nothing is impossible. Everything in the universe is energy. And the most important lesson you can learn is how to manipulate that energy to create the life you desire. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets to attracting wealth and transforming your financial reality, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the art of resonating with the energy of money, and I promise you, by the end of it, you'll have the tools and knowledge you need to start manifesting the abundance you deserve. But here's the thing, this isn't just about learning some new information. It's about taking action and implementing these principles into your daily life. Because as Dolores Cannon also said, if everybody knew these things, there wouldn't be war, there wouldn't be violence. We would have heaven on earth if we could just understand this. So are you ready? Ready to release your fears? Let go of your limiting beliefs and start aligning with the frequency of abundance? Then let's get started on this transformative journey together. Money is energy. Now I know it might sound a bit strange at first, but stay with me because this is where it gets really interesting. Money at its core is just another form of energy. It's a way of exchanging value and abundance in our lives. But here's the thing, most people never realize that their thoughts and emotions are constantly interacting with this energy, either attracting it or repelling it. As Dolores Cannon explained, everything is energy. The most important lesson you can learn is how to manipulate energy. So if you've been struggling to manifest wealth in your life, it's likely because your energy has been out of alignment with the frequency of abundance. But don't worry, because once you understand this simple truth, you hold the power to change your financial reality. Just like a radio dial tunes into different frequencies, you have the ability to tune your thoughts and emotions to the frequency of wealth and success. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a rocket scientist or a spiritual guru to make this work for you. All it takes is a little bit of knowledge and a whole lot of practice. So if you're ready to start shifting your energy and attracting the abundance you deserve, keep watching, because trust me, you need to understand this gratitude and appreciation. Now I want to share with you one of the most powerful tools for a life. Link your energy with the frequency of abundance gratitude you see when you're grateful for what you already have. No matter how small it may seem, you're sending a clear message to the universe that you're open to receiving. More, think about it this way. Imagine you have a friend who always complains about the gifts you give them. No matter how thoughtful or generous you are, they always find something to criticize. Now imagine you have another friend who is always appreciative and grateful for your gift, no matter how small they may be. Which friend are you more likely to want to give to in the future? The same principle applies to the universe and the energy of abundance. When you focus on lack and scarcity, you're essentially telling the universe, I don't have enough and I don't believe I ever will. But when you shift your focus to gratitude and appreciation, you're sending a powerful message that says, I am grateful for what I have, and I trust that more is on its way. Gratitude is like a magnet that attracts more of what you appreciate into your life. When you consistently express thankfulness for the money you have, the opportunities that come your way, and the people who support you, you create a powerful energetic shift that opens the floodgates of abundance. But here's the thing, gratitude isn't just a one-time practice to truly harness its power. You need to make it a daily habit. That's why I recommend starting each morning by writing down 3 things you're grateful for. No matter how big or small they may seem, by consistently aligning your energy with gratitude, you'll begin to notice profound shifts in your financial reality. Doors will open, opportunities will arise, and abundance will flow into your life in ways you never thought possible. And here's the incredible thing. Gratitude is just the beginning. In the next segment, I'm going to share with you a secret technique that has the power to supercharge your manifestation abilities and accelerate your journey to financial freedom. This technique is so simple yet so effective that once you master it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. But before we dive into that, I want you to take a moment and really commit to making gratitude a daily practice, because trust me, when you combine the power of gratitude with the manifestation technique I'm about to reveal, you'll be unstoppable visualization and affirmations. The secret technique I'm talking about is the power of visualization and affirmations. Now, I know what you might be thinking: visualization and affirmations. That sounds too simple to be effective. But trust me, the simplicity of this technique is what makes it so powerful. As Dolores Cannon said, if you can see it in your mind and visualize it, it must happen. That's a law of the universe. And she was absolutely right. When you visualize your desired outcome as if it has already happened, you're sending a clear and powerful signal to the universe that this is the reality you want to create. But visualization alone isn't enough to truly supercharge your manifestation abilities. You need to combine visualization with the power of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, such as "I'm a magnet for abundance," or "money flows to me easily and effortlessly." Now here's how you can put this technique into practice every morning. Take a few minutes to visualize your ideal financial reality. See yourself living in your dream home, driving your dream car, and experiencing the freedom and joy that comes with true financial abundance. Engage all of your senses and make the visualization as vivid and detailed as possible as you're visualizing. Repeat your affirmations out loud or silently to yourself. Feel the truth and power of these statements resonating throughout your being. The more emotion and conviction you put into your affirmations, the more effective they will be. By combining visualization and affirmations daily, you'll be amazed at how quickly your financial reality begins to shift. Opportunities will start to manifest. Unexpected income will flow into your life, and you'll find yourself attracting abundance with ease. But here's the key: consistency. Is everything just like with gratitude? The power of visualization and affirmations lies in making them a daily habit. The more consistently you practice this technique, the faster you'll see results. So starting today, commit to taking just a few minutes each morning to visualize your ideal financial reality and repeat your affirmations. Trust me, this simple yet powerful technique has the potential to transform your life in ways you never thought possible. Giving and generosity, the ultimate secret to attracting abundance, is giving and generosity. Now, I know this might sound counterintuitive at first. You might be thinking, how can giving away money lead to more abundance in my life? But stay with me, because the truth is, the more you give, the more you receive. As Dolores Cannon once said, the more you give, the more you will receive, because you will keep the abundance of the universe circulating in your life. In fact, anything that is of value in life only multiplies when it is given. And this is the key to unlocking the floodgates of abundance. When you give freely and generously, without attachment to what you'll receive, in return, you're sending a powerful message to the universe. You're saying, I trust in the abundance of the universe, and I know that there is more than enough to go around. This belief in abundance is what opens the door for more abundance to flow into your life. But giving doesn't just mean donating money to charity, although that's certainly a wonderful thing to do. Giving can take many forms, such as offering your time, your skills, or your knowledge to help others. It can be as simple as buying a coffee for a stranger, helping a friend in need, or volunteering in your community. The key is to give from a place of genuine generosity and love without expecting anything in return. By making giving and generosity a core part of your abundance mindset, you'll unlock the ultimate secret to creating a life of true prosperity, joy, and fulfillment. And trust me, when you experience the magic of giving firsthand, you'll wonder why you ever held back in the first place. Releasing limiting beliefs. Now that you've discovered the power of gratitude, visualization, affirmations, and giving, there's one more crucial piece of the abundance puzzle we need to address. Releasing limiting beliefs. You see, even if you're doing all the right things to attract abundance, if you're still holding on to limiting beliefs about money and wealth, you'll be unknowingly sabotaging your own success. These limiting beliefs can be sneaky and deeply ingrained, often stemming from childhood experiences or societal conditioning. Common limiting beliefs around money include thoughts like money is the root of all evil, rich people are greedy, or I don't deserve to be wealthy. But here's the truth. These beliefs are nothing more than stories we tell ourselves, and they have no basis in reality. As Dolores Cannon once said, you must realize that you are in control of your life. You have the power to change your thoughts, release negativity, and create the life you desire. And this is especially true when it comes to releasing limiting beliefs about money. So how do you identify and release these limiting beliefs? The first step is to become aware of them. Pay attention to your thoughts and emotions around money. When you catch yourself thinking a limiting belief, acknowledge it without judgment. Next, challenge the belief. Ask yourself, is this belief really true? What evidence do I have to support it more often than not? You'll find that the belief is based on fear, scarcity, or false assumptions. Remember, the universe is always conspiring in your favor, and with the right mindset and tools, there's nothing you can't achieve. Inspired action is all about listening to your intuition and taking purposeful steps towards your dreams. So how do you tap into inspired action? The first step is to get clear on your goals and desires. What does your ideal abundant life look like? What kind of experiences, relationships, and opportunities do you want to attract? The more specific and detailed you can be, the better. Once you have a clear vision of what you want, start paying attention to the ideas, impulses, and synchronicities that begin to appear in your life. These are the universe's way of guiding you towards your dreams. When you feel an inspired idea or impulse, trust it, take action, even if it feels scary or uncertain. Remember, the universe rewards courage and faith. By taking inspired action, you're sending a powerful signal that you're ready to receive the abundance that's meant for you. The key is to stay open, receptive, and willing to take action when inspiration strikes. Trust that each inspired step, no matter how small, is leading you closer to your dreams. As you begin to incorporate inspired action into your abundance manifestation practice, you'll start to see incredible shifts in your life. Doors will open, opportunities will appear, and you'll find yourself living in greater alignment with your true purpose and potential. So as we come to the end of this transformative journey, I want to leave you with one final message. You are a powerful creator, capable of manifesting anything you desire by combining the techniques of gratitude, visualization, affirmations, releasing limiting beliefs, and taking inspired action. You hold the key to unlocking a life of true abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Remember, the journey of abundance is an ongoing one. Keep practicing these techniques, keep trusting in the universe, and keep taking inspired action towards your dreams. And most importantly, never forget the incredible power that lies within you to create the life you truly desire. Here's to your abundant future. May it be filled with limitless joy, prosperity, and fulfillment beyond your wildest dreams.